So also you can, if you if you are more familiar with the hex forms, you can see that there is PK, means generally it's a zip files. Okay, so then you try to unzip it, and actually I have unzipped it. So this is the files unzipped. So actually here contains secret.png. However, if you try to open it, actually it will give you error. Why? Because you can see, you can try to detect the files. It says this is data. It's not the real PNG files. Okay. So what's wrong is that it's very simple, tricky things. Some kind of magic word was deleted from this file. Let me show you. So say hex. This is an example that is the real PNG files. And let me show you the secret ones. So you can see the differences. This example, the real one, has the magic word PNG, but this has no. Okay, so you can compare the hex word value DA1AA, DA1A. So these 4 was missing. Okay, it's easier. You just put it back. Okay, so there are some tools. So secret.
Yes.
Okay, there's some tools. You can just copy these 4 files, 4 digits into this one. So okay. Now we have read it. You can see it's. Now this is legitimate files, and we can just try to open it. I don't know how to open it. Open? Yeah, this one. Okay. So the flag is hidden here. The flag is here. Okay, so this is the basic forensics to recover the files. Especially, I think this trick probably you also can be used, because for example you have secret files, you compress it with a zip and delete some first several bytes, and then it's illegal files actually. No people, if people does not know these kind of tricks, they cannot open files. Okay, so this is one I think for. Let me show you some other. Maybe the way. Okay, we go back to. We go back to this one. I think it's enough. So basically, based on my own experiences, I'm not familiar. Actually, I just start to learn CTF by myself. But one advantage is that I'm pretty familiar with this background knowledge. Okay, so because I teach, I have learned a lot of things. So first of all, you at the beginning you may feel that sometimes it's hard to understand the problems. Just we show you. Okay, so no clues. But you need to open your mind to guess, and also you may get more experiences when you learn more, when you try to solve more problems. Okay, so also try to make good use of the hints and Google search engines. Okay, so other things is that be familiar with some basic tricks. Okay, so for example, power flow. This is very simple ones. Debugging, memory inspections. For the web applications, you need to, for example, the browser. You have the develop mode. You probably need to be familiar with them. Actually, I prepared a demo about the web application, but due to limited time, I will skip it. Okay. So at the forcing timing, we actually have several CTF competitions. One is I encourage you to participate tomorrow, beginning from tomorrow. You just try to have a try. The next one is CTF organized by Austria, and also there's one organized by PwC. Okay, so I just encourage you to try. And for the PwC, for the organized by Austria, I don't know how we will organize it, but for the PwC, probably we will select 2 teams. Okay, and with each team 4 members, and we will try to fight with each other, with other teams from other universities, like Hong Kong University, Hong Kong U, or PolyU, CPU, as 5 universities. Okay, so we also try to offer you some kind of trainings. Okay, currently we will, as you can see from this web page, we will try to focus on 5 different topics: web forensic, binary and reverse engineering, network security, and crypto analysis. Actually, there's one called MISC. So that is not, the problems cannot be classified into these 5 categories. Okay. Our strategy is that try to first focus on the knowledge and skills. Okay. So since it's very fundamental, so we want to everybody, no matter what you are interested, you at least have some knowledge about all these kind of things. Okay. And then we will try to divide and work on real-world CTF problems using existing write-up from other people. And then also we try to, as we said, there are several CTF competitions. We try to participate some live CTF events. Okay. So maybe. We have a guest from Austria. Do you have something to say? Actually, I received a slide from.
We would like to share it on next Friday. Our expert will come to here and will have a much more comprehensive presentation.
You mean about the CTF or penetration testing?
The CTF experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Let me first this one. Yeah. Okay, I think this is some slides. I just maybe next time they can share more details. But this is the one I just give you a message. Okay. So this is organized by Austria and Vietnam company. Okay, so it will happen very, very soon. Okay, and so. Okay, so I think we can stop here and let's go into the Q&A. Any question from you guys?
Could you open a Facebook group for us to communicate?
Sure. Facebook
Facebook. What? Sorry. What's your question?
Create a Facebook group for this kind of activity. I mean, shall we just
Create
so
another.
I think Oil also have the Facebook, right?
Yes, we can use.
We want to reuse the Oil or open a separate one? I don't know.
It depends on you.
Okay. I don't. We will consider. Okay, maybe send the announcement later. Any other questions? So for some competitions, actually it's only available for undergraduate students, especially for the PwC. I don't know for other competitions, but this is open. For Astria, how about Astria?
Yeah, we will do it.
Is open for undergraduates only, or is open for all, even for postgraduate students?
Cannot disclose it.
Okay. And for this competition organized by PwC, it's still not decided the exact date, but it may happen in later June. So that means after your final exams, we hope we have about 1 month of intensive training. Okay. So for this kind of training program, several 5 topics we are happening during the semester, just like all your activities. For example, during the Friday nights or the weekend sometimes, Saturday or Sunday. And then we will just give you some background training. And after this one, starting from mid or later May, we will have intensive trainings. Okay. Any other questions?
Any self-learning materials for us?
Yes. They actually. I think we have a lot of materials. So for example, as I mentioned, they are online write-ups. Okay, so like Easy CTF or Pico CTF, something like that. They also have other materials like some companies. I don't know how whether companies in Hong Kong provide such services. In China mainland, companies provide these online training courses. Some are free, some are not free. You can try to register it and have one. And also on the internet, there are some universities that actually provide training the courses. Okay, so for example, the Georgia Tech actually have a CTF course. I don't know whether I can. CMU has also has a live. They have some. So basically, we are just a start this kind of activities. But other universities, other organizations already started. So if we want to some kind of self-learning materials, it's better to refer to their website. I think we can send this kind of information to all of us later. Okay. Other questions?
We have prepared some drink and snacks. I think we can have more discussion here. If you have any question, you can ask Professor Zhang.
So you mean they can take the snacks
Yes.
now? And if you have questions, you can ask me. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, feel free. Thank you.